Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to replace the ignition coil packs on a 2015 Kia Optima. The first thing we need to do is remove this plastic engine cover. We can do that simply by grabbing on the corner and lifting up. Lift on this corner, bottom right, and make sure the bottom left is loose. And then we can just pull it up and out of the way. Depending on the last time that the ignition coil packs were actually changed, if you have one bad, odds are the rest are soon to come. So I would just recommend replacing all four. In order to remove a coil pack, the first thing we do is take a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a lighter gray clip on each of the tops of these. What we can do is stick the flathead in between the connector and that clip and twist to pry it up. Make sure it's all the way up. And next, make sure that the black portion of the connector is pushed forward towards the coil pack. Then we can push down on the black clip right here on top and then pull out. If you are replacing all four of them, you can just proceed to do the same thing. Twist. Sometimes the wiring harness can get in the way. Next, we'll take a 10mm socket and remove each of the bolts that are holding the ignition coil packs in place. Our next step, we'll actually have to physically remove the coil packs, and sometimes they can get suctioned down. So what you want to do is slide your fingers underneath the center portion, not underneath the actual connector part or the part where the bolt is holding it to the valve cover. Get a good grip around the center portion and pry up. You can even give it a twist. Should hear pop, and then you can remove them. Once we have all four removed, we can proceed with installing the new ones. I just drop them all in place to start. You can then push on the center, on the top of the center of each of them to make sure that they're pushed all the way down, making a good seat. Next, we'll proceed with putting the screws back in place. Once they're hand tight, I like to take the ratchet and just go a little over hand tight. You're tightening in the plastic, so you don't want to overdo it or else you might crack it. Next, we'll plug the harness back in. Should just slide into place, click into place, and then we push the lock back down. And our last step is to reinstall the engine cover. We'll align these 4 holes on the 4 pins on the valve cover. And there we are. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you could, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.